Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. GCA revokes disciplinary action against Swapnil Asnodkar, agrees that the decision to call off the match was a genuine cricketing decision. People dependent on mining ready for a mega protest in Goa Bandh on 22nd November to organize a morcha and block channel of Mandovi river. Protect legal mining is their cry. Headmaster Association Right to Education Minister against untimely circular by Goa Education Board, say cannot have second term exam for SSC students in this year, ready to implement it next year. After 3 churches now MPT on terror radar, MPT Chairman P. Mara Pandian denies any threat but agrees that security has been beefed up. And Goa hosts Bikers Festival at Mapsa on Saturday and Sunday. Daredevil stunts by bikers awestruck audience. Now the news in detail. In a major decision, Goa Cricket Association has revoked the ban imposed on cricketer Swapnil Asnodkar. Asnodkar was embroiled in a major controversy after he surprisingly declared Goa's run chase in a Ranji match against Maharashtra. According to GCA, he is now available for selection.
Swapnil Asnodkar can now breathe a sigh of relief. In a major decision by the Managing Committee of the Goa Cricket Association, the ban imposed on Asnodkar has been revoked during a meeting held on Monday. GCA President has threatened to take action against Swapnil. However, GCA President was not present for the crucial meeting. According to GCA officials, the committee discussed the issue regarding the circumstances of the match threadbare. They also discussed Asnodkar's apology letter. Swapnil had written the letter to GCA stating that he accepted the mistake and termed it as a cricketing error. And due to this, GCA decided to revoke the ban. Now, with the ban revoked, Swapnil is now eligible for selection for the Goa team.
See, we removed Swapnil Asnodkar for 2 matches as a disciplinary action.
Okay.
After that, we have done an investigation and we had taken a written statement from Swapnil.
Okay.
Swapnil has accepted his mistake. It's a cricketing error, he has said. He has apologized.
Okay.
The managing committee considered his letter
Okay.
and has removed his ban. Now he is available for selection.
Okay.
Subject to selectors.
Our reporter Jason Suarez from Panji.
Mining dependent people, Barge and Truck Owners Association have geared up for Goa Bandh on Tuesday. The Bandh will give a save mining call. Barges will be anchored in the Mandovi river and morcha will be held in the capital city. Mining dependent people claim that except essential services like pharmacies, hospitals and restaurants, everything will remain closed.
Looks like the bandh called on by the Barge Owners Association, Progressive Truck Owners Association, North and South Goa Truck Owners Association and mining dependent people will receive a huge response. Except essential services like pharmacies, hospitals and restaurants, everything will be closed including the transport. Bandh demands save mining in Goa. Association demand that mining rejects should be allowed to be exported. There should not be any buffer zone from the wildlife sanctuaries. Mining dependent people will take out a morcha in Panji. Barge owners will block the river channel near Old Secretariat in Panji. Atul Jadhav, President of Barge Owners Association, spoke to us on phone.
And we will put the vessels near the morcha area, no? And near the Old Secretariat.
You will be submitting any memorandum, you are meeting somebody, you are meeting Chief Secretary or Chief Minister, anybody tomorrow, and what are your demands and what are your demands?
We have already sent the demands to CM as to what is to be done. Because what we are told is that this dumps clearance has to be done at the earliest. Otherwise, there is no quantity moving from Goa. No? And 3 they will have.
Advocate Hemkant Bhangi says Enough is enough. No more discussion with the government. Now it's time to execute the plan of action.
सगळे लोक पळय ट्रक ओनर्स बी पळय जमिल्ले ट्रक ओनर्स बार्ज ओनर्स मशीन ओनर्स तांणी डिसायड केलें की रिप्रेझेंटेशन करून सरकाराक कांय अर्थ ना कारण हे सरकाराक जाग काडटलो जर जायत जाल्यार टोटल बंद करपाचें फाल्यां पणजे सो फाल्यां मोर्चा काडपाक थारायला तांणी पणजे आमी डेलिगेशन सगळें करून जालें वी हॅव ट्रायड अवर लेवल बेस्ट आमी रिटर्न रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिली कम्युनिकेशन्स केली रायटींग पब्लीक अपील्स इन पेपरान केली सगळें करून पळयलें पूण कांय सरकाराक हाजो इल्लो सुद्दां सरकाराचेर फरक पडलो ना सो देर इज नो पॉयंट आनी परतून कितें आनी डेलिगेशन करून कितें आयकुपाचें तांचे कडल्यान आय हॅव गॉट इनवॉल्वड myself in this matter having anticipated that if there is a closure of mine on account of defunct attitude of the government about 1,50,000 families will start starving. That is the reason why I have so much taken up this case.
Our reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai.
Goa Headmasters Association has demanded that the new SSC scheme be implemented from next academic year. The association has demanded withdrawal of the Goa Board circular asking for second-term examination of SSC students. Headmasters say second-term examination in this January will create confusion in the minds of students.
Goa Headmasters Association does not want the new SSC scheme to be implemented from this year. They have written to the Education Minister. Goa Board has sent a circular to all the schools on 16 September to implement the new SSC scheme from this academic year itself. Sanjeev Sawant, President of all Goa Headmasters Association, explained us in detail.
आणि म्हाका दिसता कितें ना की पूर्व जो 90% 85-90% बोर्डाचो रिजल्ट लागलेलो तो अंदू मातसो कमी लागतलो कित्याक इंटरनल मार्क्स भुरग्यांक बरे मेळचे ना ओपोज म्हणजे मिडल ऑफ द टर्म आयलें न्ही आतां आनी ताणें सांगलां कशें की सेकंड एग्जाम आसा ती थर्ड वीक ऑफ जानेवारी घेया म्हणून आनी त्याच दिसांनी आमची प्रिपेरेटरी एग्जाम आसा म्हणजे एकाच म्हयन्यात दोन एग्जामी आन्सर करप म्हणल्यार भुरग्यांचेर ताप न्ही सेकंड टायम आनी एग्जाम नाका पयलीं पळय इंटरनल असेसमेंट पुरो आशिल्लो 130 मार्क्स त्याच भुरग्यांक फायदेशीर पुर्वीच्या भशेनूच दवरचें म्हणून
Headmasters Association had asked the board to improve standard of education. Association has demanded decision on the same from the board.
Projects आणि assignment आणि दुसरे तरेचे रिटर्न वर्क हे इंट्रोड्यूस करा फक्त एग्जामीचेरूच भर दिवं नाका आनी CBSE ICSE एग्जामिनेशन जे आसा बोर्ड आसा न्ही ते तांकां इंटरनल एक्टिविटीजांक चड म्हत्व दिता आनी एग्जामीक कमी म्हत्व दिता ते धर्तीचेर करीत जाल्यार भुरग्यांक फायदो जातलो.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.